Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Volvo XC40 Recharge. Now this is a new casting for 2023 and this is number 5 out of 5 from Mud Studs. And this is number 201 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this one up. So, weird story about this car. At first glance, when they first listed about this car coming to mainline in 2023, at first many people thought it was the regular Volvo XC40, which basically the cleaner version and not the this off-road rally style. I don't know what you want to describe this. At first people thought it was the regular version, the road going version. Turns out it came out like this, looking like this, with the big off-road wheels. They had I don't know, they have a roof rack on top with some rally lights, I guess. I don't know, this is mainly for rally or ice, snow, I guess, snowing, because it does have snowboards on the roof, so that might answer the question to whether this is for rallying or not. But people thought it was the regular road going, what you see on road, the XC40 that you normally see. Turns out it's this version, but well, you shouldn't be sad because Matchbox is also doing the regular version, which made some people happy basically. And at first basically people thought this was the regular one, but of course Matchbox, with the comeback, obviously they brought in the regular one, which is well, a big massive good basically. Now here's the XC40. Now the disappointing part of this car, if you look at the front of the car, it looks really much like an alien, because no headlights, no okay, basically you cannot say it's a grill, basically it's like a fake grill or anything, nothing. The front is just empty. It looks like an alien, to be honest. It just looks empty. But the sides, they do have some decals and everything. At least they colored the rear as well, the rear lights and everything, just that the front looks terrible. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So here it is, the XC40 with these massive wheels, which are in chrome silver, which is cool. You do have I don't know, this is like a forest style of silhouette, I guess, gray silhouette, I don't know. It's like a design at the side, from the back through the doors to the front, which is cool. I do really like it. And yeah, here's the side profile, which is cool. You do have these blacked out plastic fenders, I guess. I don't know, it's slightly wide, so it's technically a bit like a white body, but yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, you have the massive wheels, which look odd on this car. So here's the front. Now, like I said just now, it has no headlights, no fake front grille or anything, no Volvo logo, no nothing. Just looks plain and bland, to be honest. Not gonna talk much about the front because yeah, it's basically nothing. So you do have this front bar right here, I mean crash bar, I think, bash bar, I'm not sure what you call this bar. But yeah, you do have a bit of some lights as well, which are not colored. So you have the windshield, which is a regular tint, I mean slightly tinted, and also black interior. And yeah, you have some more rally lights on the roof, which are meant to be the roof rack of the car. You have 4 rally lights, which are not colored as well. And then moving on to the roof, we do have the roof rack, which has 2 snowboards, I believe, which is also apart from the roof basically. So this is this is not see-through, but still they colored it, I guess, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Here is the other side, if you're wondering. Similar design to the other one, just inverted, which is cool. Moving on to the back, we do have some rear lights right here, which are detailed and colored. And I believe I can see the Volvo text, Volvo logo, Volvo text right there. No license plate or anything, nothing too special. But yeah, you have the massive rear part right here. Yeah, you even have some mud flaps, just to tell you right there, which is also apart from the like base, plastic base, whatever, the black parts right there. So yeah, mud flaps, interesting. Volvo XC40 Recharge, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Oh yeah, black plastic base. But yeah, I'm not typically a fan of this version. I would prefer the Matchbox version, which seemingly the first color would be in white. Hopefully I would get my hands on it and maybe review it for you guys. But for now, well, we have to stick with this one. And guess what? I already have the like second color of it, which I'm not gonna review it now. I'm gonna wait for when I finish the 2023 batch and start with the 2024 version. The car for 2024, this car, in the color is in dark blue, which has a big XC40 text on the side. But I'm not gonna explain any further. We'll wait for that review to come. But for now, we have to stick with this car. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is sort of like a sand green with, I'm not sure how would you describe the green on this car. But yeah, not really liking this car. Seemingly pretty minimal, I would say. Hopefully they won't make it worse by adding the like brown wheels on it. I don't really like that, but the car looks okay, I guess, for like an off-road vehicle. I would say off-road version, but still not typically a fan of it. But yeah, overall an okay for me for this car. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.